Hey, Jay. You sleeping? Honey.
What?
You were just snoring.
No, man.
Yeah, man. You were just snoring.
I was not, man.
Whatever. You do this every time. You always say
I think
that
I think we're all actually
you're not sleeping. And you're snoring.
No, we're all consciously aware. It's just kind of like our body functions are like a little down. Right
Like
now.
his eyes? Like because he was
I do
sleeping?
the same thing. Mine go down, but I still exactly know what's going on around me.